Okay, hey guys, using a new camera today. So we'll see how that goes. Today is October 22nd. I realized that instead of like journaling, I could probably just do this and this would be my journal because I'm kind of talking through my thoughts and then obviously documenting it and posting it on YouTube. Other than that, today was a little bit of a dub. We took a loss and then ended up taking a win. So here is my P&L for the day. So $208.82. Um, Here are also my executions, just for proof. So I took a loss right there and a win right there. So I can delete these now. Kind of go through price action now. So when I hopped on the charts, I was hoping for Asia and London to kind of have a bit more movement. That wasn't the case, like at all. It just moved. It didn't take out any levels, like not even on the top or the bottom. Took out no buy side, no sell side, and we're kind of just stagnant. So I was kind of hesitant trading today. But other than that, even if you look at the hourly, is just super choppy, right? Like we're wicking everything. Pretty unfortunate. Other than that, I took when market opened, we had this massive rejection candle, right? This doesn't mean that we're gonna be bullish, right? It just means we're just rejecting it for now. That being the case, when we hop down to the lower time frame, we had an initial SMT with ES. So Nasdaq takes out previous day low. ES does not at this very moment. So that's a bullish SMT. It then disrespects this SMT. ES goes, takes out this level on the lower time frame. We could take a look, see if I can find it. I believe that is, yeah, right there. So as you can see, it coincides on you can see with the where the cursor is right here on Nasdaq and ES. That's the level. ES takes it. Okay, Nasdaq does not. I'm kind of looking for a bullish setup now, even though. Excuse me. Let me just update this. Even though we are kind of moving bearish, because we took out previous day low in this move, we have bullish SMT. We then create structure on the 1 minute, inversing this IVG. I'm looking for like upward momentum. I'm looking for a move up. Unfortunately, that isn't the case. We start wicking right after this entry. I believe this probably should have, that level right there probably should have been my break even. But either way, I would take this trade 100 more times. It's completely fine. I put my stop loss at below of this rejection candle's 50% range. So you could just go from the bottom to the top, and I put it at the below the 0.5. Other than that, price ends up just moving downwards, taking me out, which was like a $260 loss. I've been trying to risk $250 each trade. On evals, I will risk a lot more, but I am trying to be a bit more conservative and kind of focus on my win rate rather than having big swings. Other than that, price comes, pushes downwards. We hit this purple box right here. What is this purple box? This purple box is the new week opening gap. Now, what is the new week opening gap? Every week when we open up, price can essentially create a gap, right? This is the end of Friday's price action. This is the beginning on Sunday at 5 o'clock. Okay. What does this box essentially tell us? It actually tells us two things. It's one, it's a draw on liquidity. And two, it is a PD array, which we could use to find reversals, which is exactly what I did here. When price came, it respected, it left this gap right here, right? The 1 minute goes, it stops right here, then it closes over, okay? It closes over, this is where I enter, right? I'm putting stop loss here, under this wick, under the gap that kind of went through this IVG, okay, for RR. and then I'm taking it to a conservative level. Why am I taking it to a conservative level? Because clearly we want lower, right? We want lower. What is this orange line right here? This orange line is the previous week's high, right there. The previous week's high. We had already broken through it here, right? So this is the previous week's high. We had already broken through it, but because this is a weekly level, it is crucial to still have it on your chart. Okay, it is a great TP. It is a great level to look at. It's great to see where price is on an overall level. Other than that, yeah, I take it to this TP. I take it to the previous week's high level, and literally right after it just rampages down, right? So I pretty much called it. Exactly to how it is, right? Unfortunately today, I just didn't see like bearish. I don't know. Like I just didn't see any bearish setups other than right after my trade that won that netted me 470. Let's see. See if there's a setup here we might have been able to take. Right, so that's the previous week high. We have this 15-minute gap that we're in. I mean, potentially look for an IVG here. I don't know. I feel like this would have been a break even though. So it doesn't really matter. I couldn't find any setups. Either way, we're coming out with a dub. A bit over 200, so that gives me another $200 day, and looking to get some more opportunities this week. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Like, comment, subscribe. And please, if you guys want, like, I can start recording like the live, like literally like the live trade. Just let me know. I'm up for it. But yeah, drop any comments, drop any questions. I'm happy to explain my whole thought process. Cheers.